people for Glenolden School, whoever you are. My name is Devon Lawrence.
I'm gonna eat your friend.
Shelley, run!
Get back here and into my mouth!
She's amazing!
See, I told you she did tricks.
Shelley, look out!
Gotcha!
You're just gonna eat my dog.
Your dog is a lobster, but don't worry, we can still stop Chef.
I'm coming too! Shelley sounds delicious. I mean, worth rescuing.
You're not gonna get away this time!
Whoa! How does she know how to skateboard so well?
She's really talented.
Chef's catching up to her.
Noah, get us over top of Chef. Owen, get ready to jump.
Got it!
Right after I hook you into... Where'd he go?
The NFL season will be
Hang on a
back in 3
second,
months.
guys.
Sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket with YouTube
There we go.
TV.
I got you now! Oh, come on! I promise I'll only take a few nibbles!
Chef, you have to stop!
We gotta be back in 5 or it's extra. They said this business wouldn't work. Look at me now, Dad!
Shelley!
Noah, we gotta rescue Owen from that horned horse.
That's a bull. Am I the only one who knows his animals?
Sit, Toro. Stay, Toro.
Just like Coin Prize Surprise.
Nice one!
Woo!
To the
Happy
sewer.
time!
One way they can go.
Why do you even have that app?
Cause I like to know where my poop goes. Duh.
I can already taste the melted buttery goodness! No! I lost her!
Man, I am lost. I don't see a playground anywhere.
Follow that lobster!
I get paid to serve ice cream, not to ask questions.
There she is.
She can ride a motorcycle?
How many times do I have to say it? Shelley's very talented.
How many times did I have to tell you? She's very talented! Like my own Shelley right here! But Shelley, look out!
Soft serve!
Isn't that right, Shelley?
Please stop. Stop.
Yep, she's my new BFF for yesterday.
Isn't this exciting?
Shelley!
Good dog, Shelley. You lost them.
Good dog, Shelley! You're a monster!
What? An ejector seat? Really?
What do we do?
Wow, that lobster was way heavier than it looked.
Shelley's a true hero and she drowned to save us.
Lobsters can't drown.
Yeah, they live underwater.
She's alive?
She's alive!
She's alive!
I've got, a dentist appointment.
Oh, I'm so happy, Shelley.
I'm so glad that Shelley is
Do it
okay.
right now.
I wonder if she's doing right now.